Izuna, you were like a diamond to me, but not anymore. I was your rose flower, but the rose has begun to wither. The petals of the rose are dead and gone. And there's nothing beautiful in this marriage anymore.
He's here.
Okay.
Good person.
Morning, how are you? That's my stuff, right?
Understandable. I'm here too.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Thank you too. Okay, I think my lady.
Okay. Bye.
Wow, it's beautiful.
Yeah, I got it for my wife.
She's going to like it.
I hope so.
Yes, she will. Okay, sir.
It's okay.
I don't understand you. What do you mean you're no longer in love with him? It doesn't make any sense. If you are beginning to mix up with the wrong crowd, you better desist from it. As in desist. Else you're going to get into a lot of trouble and lose a very good man. Listen. I'm in shock right now. I don't know what to say. But I sternly advise that you rethink what you just said. You just can't wake up and say you don't love him anymore and then there's nothing more. Uzoma, you don't understand. The love is dead. I won't wait for it to come back again. Nobody will be in my shoes right now and enjoy it. It's dead. I don't know. Perhaps I'll talk to you later. Bye. See,
This is more like it. I hope my wife will love it. Hey, you're awake already?
Isn't I'm tired?
I know you'll be tired. You know, that's why I woke up earlier to go prepare the breakfast. And it will soon be ready. Okay, just in a few minutes. And I got you this. Take a look. You like it, huh?
I'm tired of this marriage.
What? Oh, babe, wait. What did you just say?
Isn't not? I have tried to pretend that I still love you. I hurt myself by doing so.
Babe, come on. Why are you doing this? What's going on? What are you talking about?
Isn't I do not have feelings for you anymore. Isn't I don't love you anymore.
Babe, come on, stop this. You love to joke about things like this.
I am serious. I'm not joking. I am serious.
I know you.
Does it look like I'm joking? I am not joking. The feelings I have for you is dead. D-E-A-D, dead.
Are you serious? Babe? See. Let me tell you something. Whenever you joke about things like this, I don't just like it. So stop it now. Stop it. Stop it.
Don't touch me. Don't.
What is this? I know you're joking.
Excuse me. Do you think I'm joking? It's in the heart. I have told you the truth. It has vanished. I only feel anger and hatred deep inside me.
No. You do not hate me. Baby, you're upset.
I am tired. I hate it. I've been hiding it. I am too young to endure it. I am too young to live where my spirit does not live. I am too young to live with a man who does not have big dreams.
Stop this. You're scaring me. Stop.
Don't tell me to stop. I want a divorce and I want it fast. If you do not give me the divorce, I'm going to shred our wedding certificates.
Babe.
And if she doesn't listen, I'll let you call her mother. Hey, sorry.
It's okay, you can go.
Hey, it's not good though. Sorry.
I'm not supposed to be telling you this, but I have to. Because I need you to help me out.
What is going on between yourself and Ibube? I mean, is there a problem?
No. I don't know what is going on. I don't even know where to start right now. Please. I need you to help me out because I don't want to lose my wife.
I'll talk to her.
Oh.
Even though I don't know what the issues are, like, I can't pinpoint what the problem is exactly, but I'll talk to her.
Oh, thank you.
And I'll also advise that you impress her with, some surprise package on your anniversary. It's this weekend, right? Your wedding anniversary.
Oh, on my anniversary? Yeah. It's this weekend.
Okay, so the ball is in your court.
Okay. Okay, I have to take my leave now.
Oh yes, you should. Thank you.
Steve.
Please, call my wife.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Did you come?
Who's there?
Today's anniversary.
Welcome, sir. Good morning.
Hey, bro.
How are you? I hope I'm not late.
You're almost late.
What? Thank God I'm here now.
Yeah.
Where's your wife?
Oh, she's upstairs. She's coming. And where is she?
Sir, she's not upstairs.
She's not upstairs? Hold on. Excuse me. Go ahead, I'm coming. Where did she go to?
I don't know. I don't know when she left the house.
What?
My phone is switched off.
Switched off. Is she not aware of all this?
We discussed about this together last night. What am I going to call this? What's going on?
It's okay. Calm down.
Oh, God, no.
Panic. Calm down. Calm down. Don't panic. Calm down. UZOMA. Calm down. Calm down. Calm down.
Sorry, sir. Sorry.
It's okay. It's okay. Thank you.
I feel love and peaceful each time I come here.
I am broke. I need money.
I have told you not to worry. I will take care of your needs if you make my love life exciting.
I know. I am only curious.
You don't have to be. I got you. I got you.
This step you take could break your home. This step you take could lead to death. A way might seem right, but the end is destruction. Be careful in life to avoid regret. This step you take could break your home. Could break break your home. This step you take could lead to death. A way might seem right, but the end is destruction. Be careful in life to avoid regret.
Did you see my wife?
Your wife?
Yes. I was preparing for the anniversary, then I got to the bedroom, I couldn't find her. And her phones are switched off.
No, hold on a minute. She didn't mention anything to you about going anywhere?
No, she did not. Oh my God, what is this?
That's odd. That's really odd.
Oh God. Oh.
Wait, calm down.
How do you want me to calm down?
You know, have you tried calling her? Oh yes, you said her phone's on.
Oh God.
I haven't seen her. Have you called her mom? Please calm down. Oh, that's odd.
Where are you coming from? You kept us all worried.
You should have known I can take care of myself.
Ebe, why? How could you do this to me?
Please, I am tired.
Ebe. Where are you coming from?
Who wants to know?
I was planning for a small get-together for our wedding anniversary. You left and switched off your phone.
I don't remember telling you I am interested in your so-called wedding anniversary. I cannot recall telling you I'm interested in your so-called wedding anniversary. And you cannot make me change my mind at this point.
I demand you tell me where you're coming from.
I am tired. I want to sleep. I don't want you shouting on me.
You are not going to sleep until you tell me where you're coming from.
And if I don't, what will you do? Will you beat me? Okay. Beat me! Beat me! Isn't I said beat me! Beat me!
I'm trying to wrap my head around it. I mean, why would you ruin the surprise your husband planned for you on your wedding anniversary by going somewhere he isn't aware of? Where did you go?
You should hear my own side of the story.
What side of the story do you want to tell me, Ebube? What side? By the way, where did you go?
He is not my God. I have every right to go and clear my head anywhere I want and anytime I want to.
Oh, you listen here, my good friend. Those who live life recklessly do so because they do not know the dangers. They do not know and they think that life is a playing ground. It's not.
I do not understand what that means and I don't even want to know.
You should know. You have to take it easy.
Why did you invite me here?
Are you serious now? Like you don't know why I invited you here? I mean, like I've been beating around the bush all the while you've been here. Like you don't know?
I did not say so.
Ebube, you have to go home and apologize to your husband. Listen, I am serious. mean, I don't know what chapter of your life is open and then you think it's all pleasant and kinky. You can't lose everything you have because of that. It's not worth it.
Story. Hello, Mama. Are you all right? Okay, I'll come and see you today.
Ibube, I do not want you to see the bitter side of life. And that's where you're heading. I honestly don't want that for you.
It's my life. It's boring.
What did you say? What did you say?
So, that was why I had to. Are you drink?
Madam.
Anna, what are you doing here?
Madam, what I'm doing here? Okay. The chef here is my very close friend. He called me to come and carry food that he made excess.
I don't understand. What happened to the food at home?
Madam, what I had was bread and tea. We didn't even get up to here. Madam, who is this? Is this your friend? Or a friend in need?
What sort of question is that? Will you get her from my sight?
No, Madam Mo. I'm not leaving your side though. Hey, chicken and guy. Tabole.
Who did you leave Steve with?
Whoa! Hey, what is it time?
Don't tell me you've not brought him back from school.
Hey! Anna!
Who is this? Never mind. I'm sorry. I would order something else for you.
Don't worry, I've lost my appetite.
No, don't worry. I'll just call the waiter to get something else for you.
It's okay, it's okay. I'll just prefer some red wine. I'm fine, okay? Red wine.
Hey.
Thank you. Anna, where's my own food?
How many times do you eat in a day? I thought you have eaten.
Don't be ridiculous. Can't get my food.
Sasha's eating chicken and rice, so.
You know what? Just get out from here.
Sorry.
Babe.
Emma, did you bring back the flask?
Are you okay? I said get lost!
Babe, I've told you to stop talking to her like that. She's an adult, for Christ's sake.
Then let her behave like one. Let her behave like an adult. Anna. Anna. Anna.
Ma? My God.
Do you want to leave this house?
What have I done?
You almost put me in trouble. Why would you tell my husband you saw me eating at the restaurant?
Madam, is that why you're angry?
You know what? You should learn to mind your business in this house.
Okay.
Where are you going?
I want to go and tell him that I did not see you eat a chicken and rice with a boy.
You are mad. You know what? I am done with you here. You'll be going to the village.
Are you bribing me?
No, I am not. This is your transportation fare to the village. You're leaving tomorrow.
Madam, I won't go.
Get out.
Okay.
Get lost!
Just chicken and rice.
You take, oh, break your home. This step you take, could take a life.
Madam,
Now get out from this house.
Madam, I'm not going anywhere. I'm not going anywhere until Oga comes and give me transport.
What about the one I gave you?
Eh?
The one I gave you, I've given you transportation.
Oga has to come and give me transport. He has to give me another one.
Oh, hold your bag. Get out of this house. Get out. What is it? I'm giving you transport money. Why is you waiting for that to give you
Madam,
another
Oga
one?
has to come and give me transport money.
But
I
I'm
cannot leave
giving
this
you
house.
transport money.
My friend, leave this house. Leave.
Get out from this house. What kind of transport again are you waiting for?
Madam, Oga is coming. Let Oga come.
Welcome.
What is going on here?
I want Anna to go back to the village.
Why?
Oga, help me, Asa. Help me, Asa. Why?
She's still the same classless, dirty, stupid Anna.
You've still not answered my question.
Oga, I know what I did. Let me tell you what I did.
Anna, somebody cannot play with you again. You're like a sister to me. Okay, go back. Let's go back to the house. Go.
Madam, let me tell Oga what I did. It's
Anna, what is it? Honey, I was just bored, so I told her to leave the house. It's a joke. All right, let's go. Anna, come. Anna, go back to the house. Let's go back to the house. Somebody cannot play with you again. Honey, you won't understand. I was just bored.
Oga, let me tell you.
Let's go.
I am down.
Madam, let me tell Oga now. Let me tell Oga now.
There is so much that's going on around me. Is this my fate or the way I choose to live? There is no one that understands me. No one understands what I've been through. No one understands the mess I'm into. No one understands. No one understands. No one understands. No one understands the pain in me. No one understands the fear I'm into. No one understands the trap I'm into. No one understands.
Yes, sit.
Okay.
I want you to tell me how you are related to my wife. She's been saying that you're a cousin.
Her mother took care of me when my father died.
And what happened today? Why did she want to throw you out of the house?
Sir, she said I should be calling her madam. And I've been doing that. Now she wants me to be washing her underwears. Not as if she pays me.
It's okay. I've discussed with her. Okay? I'm going to place you on weekly allowance. Since you're going to be helping us with house chores.
Thank you very much, sir.
It's okay. You can go now.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much, sir. Shall I?
Come.
Sir?
Sit. Is there anything you're hiding? About what?
No, sir. Sir, 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 nothing. Nothing, sir. Nothing at all.
NONSO? Tell UZOZIE that I'll see him tomorrow.
No one understands what I've been through. No one understands me. No one understands it. No one understands it. No one understands the pain in me.
Ma, why are you doing this? Ma, why are you doing this? You want to leave your husband because of that boy. That boy. Ma, I know I'm stupid though. But I'm not this stupid.
Are you mad? How dare you? This is a family matter. Stay away from it.
Did you slap me?
And I will slap you again if you don't get out of my sight.
Ma, I will not get out of your sight. I will not leave. God gave you head, so use it. Use it. Just look at me, Ma. I have no job. I have no house. I have no family of my own. But you have everything and you choose to leave it just because of that.
Oh, shut up! Shut up! You can as well tell him what you saw. I don't care. Mind your business. Tell him I am ready to take responsibilities of my actions. Tell him.
Oh, I see. I see you're ready to ruin your life. And I will not be a part of it. I won't. But this is not fair. What you're doing to your husband is not fair.
Get out of my sight. Thank God.
Sir.
Do you think I'm a bad man?
No, sir.
Do you think I've been treating my wife badly?
No. Not at all.
Do you think my family lacks anything?
Sir, you need to calm down. You need to calm down. I've talked to her. And I believe she'll come back to her senses soon. Please.
I love my wife. And I don't want to lose her.
Sir, you won't lose her. You won't.
Thank you so much.
Okay, sir.
Sometimes I feel like waking up from this dream. What do women want? What does she want?
Please, I'm begging you, don't leave me. You keep doing this. Is it because you know how much I love you?
Love me. Love me. You made me get you pregnant. And every now and then, all you keep saying is, I love you, I love you. I need a better life for myself. See, let me tell you, I did what other men could not do. Okay? So I need better life for myself.
Please, I beg you. Okay, don't worry. Henceforth, I'll make sure I give you a better life. I'll go out there and hustle, look for money to satisfy you. Please. I'll give you a better life. I promise. I promise. Please. Please.
You have to keep to this promise, so if you don't keep to this promise, I'll go out there and look for other women that want me.
Baby,
what was all this?
Please.
Eh?
Please,
You telling me I love you, I love you, I love you every time I loved you.
Sorry now, sorry. Just go back inside the house. Hey, Mandy, what's delaying you now? Just collect this money from your sugar mommy now so I can take care of my baby. Maybe if you leave me, I'll just die. Madam, are you going out?
What does it look like I'm doing? Sweeping the house?
Sorry, madam. What would you like me to make for lunch?
Make anything you want. If you like, finish it.
Okay. Ma, you look sad.
Anna, you're not my mother.
Sorry, ma. I'll make plantain porridge.
Anna! Ma? Let me have the key to the gate.
I don't know where it is.
What do you mean you don't know where the key is? How did you come in?
I can't remember how I came in.
Anna, you're very stupid. If you don't give me that key now, I'll break your head.
Madam, it's better you break my head than to go and see that small boy.
So, you locked the gate?
Madam, I'm stopping you from committing adultery.
If you don't give me that key now, I'll arrange boys to beat you up.
Madam, even if they come here and beat me up, I will still not open that gate for you.
Anna,
Ma?
Give me the key. Anna, I said give me the key. Give me the key.
I don't have the key.
Give me the key.
Ma, I don't have the key.
Anna, go on, give me the key.
The key is not here.
Give me, Anna, give me. Hello, sweet. Yes, I will see you. I will see you soon. I'll see you shortly. Yes. I'll see you. Anna! Anna,
Madam.
let me have the key to the gate. Give me the key! Anna!
Madam. Madam! Don't you know that your body is the temple of the Lord? Don't you know you want to go and spoil his temple? You want to go and spoil the temple of the Lord? Ha! No, madam. I will not let you spoil his temple.
Anna.
Ma?
Give me the key. Anna.
Ma?
Give me the key before I give you dirty slap.
Go and spoil the temple of the Lord.
I will deal with you when I return.
Where's Oga now? Where's Oga? Oga's not come back. Hey! Oh.
The gate. Is that not madness? You lock your mother. If you don't give me the original key to the gate.
Madam, why are you shouting?
I said give me the original key to the gate.
This is not the original
Anna, enough of this nonsense. Give me the key to the gate, the original key.
Don't have it now.
Anna.
Ma?
Enough of this nonsense. Give me the original key.
Wait, let me look for it. Where's the original key?
Anna, is that where you kept the key?
Now you have to look everywhere.
I'm still waiting.
It's not good.
Anna.
Where's the key? It's not here. Madam, we really look for the key. I'm going to find it. Just come and help me arrest this one up. Now, what? Here we go. Maybe we're going to find the key. Madam. Madam, come, let's just leave this. Madam, you're going to put yourself, but you know you're going. See what? Madam, stop now. Stop this thing you're doing. Madam! Hey! Madam, wait. Come, since you did not come. Now since she has gone out. Hey. Is my madam safe? Was she able to raise a stone? Yeah.
Babe, I am doing this because I love you so much. Mandy, I love you so much. Promise not to hurt me if I leave my husband.
Oh, come on, baby. Huh? How can I hurt you? How can I hurt a beautiful woman like you? A beautiful soul who has been so nice to me. Hmm? Come on. See, I can't wait for you to be ready so that we can leave this country to a better place where we can enjoy our lives, where we can be free to live the life we want.
I have told my husband I want a divorce. He's still in shock, but I can't wait to be with you. I will sell the land he bought in my name and we'll use it to travel.
Thank you, baby. You're such an awesome woman. Hmm? I love you so much. Hmm? I mean, I don't even know what I would have done without your love.
You don't have to say much. The best is yet to come. And I promise to make you the happiest man in this world. If you don't keep another woman.
Come on, you know I don't have time for any other woman. Huh? You know I don't have time for any other woman. Hmm? You're all I have.
Thank you, darling. I have to go now. I need to see my lawyer.
Oh, okay.
Yes, but before I leave, let me give you something.
Wow.
Take this. Buy something to eat.
Thank you so much, baby. Come on, give me a kiss.
Okay, let's go.
Alright. So you call me when you're done?
Sure, I will. Got you. Right.
Thanks. Just for lunch.
How much is that?
I don't know. Let me count.
Don't worry, let me help you count. $30,000. My share. Oh, don't worry, let me just take 20,000.
Come on now. Take 10,000 naira.
I should take 10,000. Look. I don't like this. If you don't want me again, just let me know. So I'll leave you and your sugar mommy alone.
Baby, why are you sounding that way, eh? How can you say a thing like that? Huh? You know how much I love you. Besides, how can I leave you and my unborn child for a married woman?
Okay, now. So now you know. You know I'm carrying your child and not a log of wood.
It's okay. You can take the 20,000 naira.
Here off. Baby, I'll go home now, so I'll go and cook.
Come on now. Stay with me. Please.
Let me go and cook so that I and your unborn child will eat and be healthy for you.
See, May, you know I love you so much. I genuinely love you so much, and you know that, eh? I just want to spend more time with you. But every time you're always rushing, every time you're going, and you know I get lonely here.
Don't worry. I'll be back early tomorrow. So that I'll have enough time to spend with you. Okay? See, hey! See her hair. Don't be kissing this lady too much. Let me just go.
You are doing all these things because you know I love you so much.
And I love you too.
It's not fair now. Come on. Why is she treating me like this? Huh?
You like it?
Yes, I do.
Just eat. Eat enough. If you want more, you let me know, so I'll bring more for you.
Thank you very much.
Baby, I have a surprise for you.
Surprise?
Yes. Take this. This is 15,000 naira. Use it and get yourself anything you want, okay? Just be happy.
15,000.
Yes.
Thank you very much, but I need more money.
I know you need more money, but just give me some time. I'm working on something. We're going to raise a huge amount of money so we can leave this place and get a better life for ourselves and our child.
Okay, I heard you. Thank you very much for the money.
You're welcome, my love.
Thank you very much. You're so sweet.
Eat up, eat up. If you want more, I'll get more.
You want me to grow fatter?
That's my duty.
She left me in total shock. I did not do anything to her. I've never exchanged words with her. I've never cheated on her. I don't know why she's doing this to me.
I apologize on her behalf. Please, I'll talk to her. I mean, she can't be talking about divorce. I'm certain she said so out of anger.
Osioma, I do not want to lose my wife. I love her so much.
You won't. She's not going anywhere. I'll talk sense into her. I promise.
Okay, thank you so much. Let me rush go pick Steve from school.
Stay safe.
I will. Thank you.
It's nothing, really. So Ibube was serious. What is wrong with her? Where are you? No, I want to know where you are, Ebube. Can I see you in my office right now? You can't come to my office. Fine, no problem. It's very important that you and I talk. Can we see at home this evening, my place? Awesome. I'll see you then. Bye. What are you doing?
Wow. What a wonderful day. Oh, babe. Come on. He came to greet you.
Izuna, I did not come here for this. You have till tomorrow to set me free.
Okay. Sorry, okay. You go in and change your uniform. Go and change him.
Okay, sir.
Okay? That was harsh, you know. Is he your son?
If you want this whole drama to end, set me free. Set me free.
Ebube, you still need some time to think about what you want.
I have actually thought about it. I thought about it for 6 months.
This step you take could break your home. This step you take could lead to death. Away. careful in life to avoid regret. The step you take.
Zumba,
Oh, good day.
how are you?
Mom, I'm not fine.
Is there anything the matter?
Mama Ebube.
What happened to Ebube?
Mama, she wants divorce. And she's very serious about it.
I don't understand. What do you mean she wants a divorce?
Mama, she woke up and said that to me. I thought it was one of her pranks. But she meant it. She kept saying it. Mama, please. I've tried to talk to her. But to no avail. I want you to come and help me talk to her, please.
Did you have any problem with her?
Not at all. We didn't even exchange words before this thing happened.
Okay. Don't worry. I will talk to her.
Mama, please.
Okay?
Please, help me do that.
I will.
Oh. Well, I have to leave
Wait,
now.
let me get something for you to eat.
No. Leave it. I'll do that when next I come, okay? Well, I'll see you.
What does she mean? She wants a divorce.
Mama, please.
I will.